So you think you know your own skeleton? Let me guess. 206 bones, right? Well, not so fast. Most of us grew up learning that magic number, but here's the twist. Your skeleton might not look exactly like your neighbor's. In fact, you could be walking around right now with a hidden bone that nobody told you about. I'm serious. Some people are born with extra bones, tiny ones that don't make it onto the textbook diagrams. You might have one in your foot, your hand, or even tucked behind your knee. Most people never notice them, unless they pop up on an X-ray, or start causing mysterious aches and pains. So what are these secret skeleton additions? They're called accessory bones, and they're not as rare as you think. Picture this. Back when you were a developing fetus, your bones started out as soft, squishy cartilage. Sometimes little bits of cartilage don't get absorbed like they're supposed to, so later on, they harden into bonus bones. Let me give you a couple of names you might never have heard before. First up, the fibella. It's a tiny, pebble-shaped bone that can hide behind your knee. Around a third of people have it, and you'd never know unless you checked. Or how about the accessory navicular? This one pops up on the side of your foot, and while most people never notice it, for some, it can make shoes feel kind of weird or cause stubborn pain. Then there's the os trigonum, another bonus bone that sometimes forms near your ankle. These are just a few of the many possibilities. Here's the wild part. Everyone's skeleton is just a little bit unique. Think of it like a fingerprint, but for your bones. Extra bones might form, fuse together, disappear over time, or never show up at all. Sometimes they'll show up clearly on an X-ray. Other times, it's like they're playing hide and seek with your doctor. For most people, accessory bones aren't dangerous, but they can affect your posture, cause discomfort, or just make you wonder why your feet never quite fit in your favorite shoes. So, do you have a hidden bone? Odds are you might. Most people live their whole lives without ever knowing. Or maybe, just maybe, that unexplained pain in your foot or knee is your body's way of waving a tiny skeletal flag. If this surprised you, hit that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more science you can feel in your bones. And hey, have you ever spotted something weird on an X-ray? Tell me your story in the comments. Maybe you've been hiding an extra bone all along.